We're doing a full face of Drugstore. We're trying a full face of Drugstore Essence makeup, so keep watching if you want to see how everything performed, how I got this look right here. All this makeup is under $15 and some under 10 at Ulta, so make sure to keep watching if you want to look really gorgeous on a budget. Before we get into the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you can be a part of the Dom fam. And without further ado, let's get into this video. My skin and brows are prepped. I'm going in with the Essence Keep Me Covered long lasting foundation. It's waterproof and transfer proof. I'm gonna try the shade Warm Shell. I think it's a little bit light compared to my tan, my fake tan that I just did, but we're gonna make it work. Essence is one of my favorite drugstore brands. Like, I have loved Essence for such a long time. They make high quality products. We're looking kind of light. Hold on, let me fix this. I picked up a darker shade just to blend it in a little bit better into my skin. But Essence has been one of my favorite drugstore brands for such a long time. I am so honored to be doing this video in partnership with them. Hello, like Essence. I don't know if everybody knows this, but Essence has really high quality products for a super affordable price. Everything's under 15 and most of it's under 10. And I'm always just so blown away by the quality and the performance of the makeup. It's crazy. Okay, let me get my hair out of my face really quick so I can get this in my neck area. Look how beautifully that blended into my skin. That is too good. It's full coverage, non-transferable, meaning you can hug someone and it's not going anywhere. Actually, I need to be wearing this type of foundation when I do events. I'm in love. I'm trying not to get it on my under eyes just so that it doesn't get cakey. Because that area is so thin, it doesn't soak up product as well. So I like to keep it a little bare. Let's cover the panda that is happening underneath my eyes. So I'm gonna take the Keep Me Covered concealer, and this is the shade Shell, and I'm also going in with light medium because this is a new technique that I have been loving. This concealer is infused with aloe vera, no fragrances, silicones, it's vegan. So the lightest shade I like to put on the inner corners. Let me show you how beautiful this blends. This little trick of putting a lighter concealer in the inner corner and then more of your skin tone one on the end, the way it blends into your skin, it makes it look so good. Let me show you. So I'm gonna take light medium on the outer corner and it creates this beautiful gradient. You see, like, this one's a little bit closer to my skin tone. I'm also gonna brighten the center of my face with this. Lift the outer corners of the mouth. Do any of you guys have this where your mouth fold just goes down and it's kind of dark? That's why I do this little lifting, because it helps so much. I always do my under eyes last because I want that to be the most full coverage part of my face. So I'm gonna blend everything else in first. But man, this concealer is so good. It's just blending in so effortlessly, but we're gonna go ahead and do these under eyes now. Whenever you kind of leave it for a while, it kind of thickens up and creates a little bit more coverage for you. Even though this is full coverage, like, you don't need any tricks for this, but it's just something I do with all my concealers. Look at that. All my secrets covered. It's too good. What is in here? It's magic. I always like to take off the foundation from my lip before I put anything on it. While the concealer is still nice and juicy, I actually like to go in with powder before it dries down. So I'm gonna go in with the Essence Brighten Up Banana Powder. And I'm actually so excited to try this one because I haven't. And I love a yellow tone banana powder to brighten up the under eye. So I'm excited to see how this is going to work for me. Ooh, I love that. Oh my gosh. Yes, this is only $4.99, you guys. $4.99? Are you kidding me? And the quality is top tier. The under eyes are bright. I'm gonna set it on the center of my face too. I'm impressed. Like, honestly, I already love Essence. I already know their quality is amazing, but I haven't tried this Essence powder and it is doing beautiful things. Okay, I need to groom my brows. I'm gonna be using this Lash and Brow Gel Mascara. I've actually never tried this either. So let's go ahead and put it on the brows. Okay, first impression, it's a very lightweight, and it is putting the brows where they need to be. Oh, I like it. Okay. Nice, and I feel like you can use this on your lashes as well if you didn't want to wear mascara, but I am going to wear mascara today because I freaking love the iconic Lash Princess. It is loved by so many artists, so many brands have a mascara, but for some reason this one kills it. And it's been my favorite since the moment I put my hands on it. Like back in 2016, I would rave about this, like, and it's still that girl. Look at it just do its magic. It never clumps. It's always just gives the perfect lift and separation, volume. I absolutely love this mascara. I like to just put a little coat on before I start my makeup so I could see the vibe of everything, and then go back in later on to mesh everything together, put on the lower lash mascara. But let's get into the eyes. So I'm gonna go ahead and use these two palettes. I have the Witch Side. Oh my God, that's so cute. Look at the packaging. All the neutrals you need. It's so pretty, very cool tone. And then I have this other palette called Hugs and Teddies, which is so cute. Look at it. Like, I love the color scheme. This is very me. I'm gonna go in to this girl right here. I feel like we vibe. It's a little mauve matte color. And I'm gonna take it into my crease, just using the foundation we have on from earlier and letting that be our primer to our eyes. Ooh, that's pretty. And their eyeshadows blend so well. Like, this is almost illegal for this to be that good and so affordable. I am impressed, and everybody needs to have Essence in their makeup. It's just a really good cosmetic brand. I wonder when they got started. I'm gonna take it underneath my eye just to give me a little dimension there. And because it's a little on the pinky side, we're gonna have to add some brown in there, or else we're gonna look kind of sick. Or we're gonna be giving that I'm cold makeup. Remember that from last year? Was that last year or the year before? These like two neutral browns right here, they're more like taupe. I'm gonna take those in my crease just so we can get some more definition going. Super natural and magic. That's cool. I love how they did that. It's such a fun brand too. Like, there's so many fun palettes that they have, and like such a cute little vibe. I can't believe October is over. It is now November, and it's gonna be Thanksgiving. And then it's gonna be New Year's, and then we're gonna be straight into 2024, and Jaden's gonna be 16 years old. How is that even happening? Okay, I'm taking some of this concealer and I'm going to carve out my eye. So to do that, I'm gonna look straight because my eye folds and all of our eye folds are so different. So just look straight. Ooh, and try not to make a mess. I haven't done this type of makeup since, I don't know, 2016, this kind of eye, but I love it. It's actually my favorite kind of makeup. You don't want to look up because you want to follow like the natural curve of your eye without stretching it out. This is a very lightweight, full coverage concealer. And then I'm gonna go ahead and take another concealer brush, but this one doesn't have anything on it. And I'm just gonna blend that into the rest of my lid, like so. That way, the shimmer that we put on is going to look mostly intensified on the inner part of the lid. What shimmer should we use? This is really pretty. It's like a pink kind of gold shift to it. Oh, that is pretty. This one's a little deeper, and then this one is like a peach. I think I'm gonna go with this first one. Oh my God, the shift is so beautiful. And I'm gonna try to just put it on with my finger first. Honestly, any shimmer from any brand always looks better when you apply it with the warmth of your finger. It just melts into the skin a little bit easier and looks, ooh, this is very creamy, and looks more saturated on the eye. That's really, really pretty. But I'm gonna blend it in with a brush because my nail won't let me go in that far, or my hand won't even turn that way. But let's go ahead and use a brush because my finger's about to break. That is such a creamy eyeshadow. I actually have not tried their eyeshadows, so I'm excited to see how they work. And they're working really good. Comment below your guys' favorite drugstore brand. This one has always been my favorite. And I've never worked with Essence before. As an influencer, I've always just naturally talked about them. So this video right here is really special to me because I have supported Essence for so long and I've really enjoyed their products. And if you follow me for a while, you know that I've loved Essence for so long, especially the Lash Princess. Oh my goodness. Look at how pretty that is. I'm obsessed. I'm gonna go a little deeper on the outer corners So to do that, I'm gonna take this shade here. It's almost like a burgundy brown. And I'm gonna go in with this shader brush and we are going to blend our little hearts away. You guys, the wind where I live now is insane and it scares me. I feel like I can be blown away at any second. The whole house feels like it's going to just blow away. That's how crazy strong these winds are. And just go in the center and just kind of work back and forth there. I'm gonna take Ritual right here and I'm just gonna take that for the brow bone to brighten it up and enhance the shape of the brow. Wow, I am so impressed how creamy and blendable these eyeshadows are. They're stunning, really good. It's just making everything flow together really nice. And then I'm gonna take that matte in the inner corner because we have the shimmer going on the lid. So I'm gonna balance it out with the inner corner being like a matte brightener. I'm gonna get a clean brush and then I'm gonna just blend everything together. Make sure there's no harsh edges, soften everything out. And that is so pretty. Oh my God, I'm in love with this look. This is so pretty. I love the shimmer. It is giving everything that it needs to give. I'm gonna do a brown liner and I'm using the Lash Princess liner. So pretty, look how cute the packaging is. That's adorable. Okay, the brown is really nice and natural. So I'm loving that for this look. I'm gonna blend over that brown just so it's a little more soft. And then I'm gonna take this brown liner. It's called Stay and Play Gel Liner. It's waterproof and long lasting. Let's see how pigmented this is. I wanna go underneath the lash. Oh yeah, look at that. I'm gonna take it just above the lash line to darken the lash line and then smudge it out. I love a smudgy lash like that. Okay, we're meshing the real and false lashes together using the Lash Princess. And then I'm finally gonna do my final touch of mascara on the lower lash. Comment below if you've never in your life tried Essence Cosmetics. I wonder if anybody's like never tried it. You are so missing out if you haven't. But the girls that know, they know. I'm obsessed. I know you're gonna be obsessed too. I need blush. So I'm gonna use the Pure Nude Baked Blush. And this is the shade Rosy Rosewood. And we are gonna add some life into the cheeks. Actually, before I do that, I wanna bronze up my face just to give dimension and warmth. So I'm gonna be using the Matte Bronzing Powder Palette. Comes with 4 different ones. This is one that I use and I love. I've used for a while and they work really well. They blend beautifully. So I'm gonna take this one here. I like that it gives you different options and it comes with a mirror. The sun is moving and it's giving me a weird look. Hopefully you guys can still see what I'm doing. But I'm gonna take a smaller brush to contour my nose. So I'm gonna use this shade right here, the lightest one, just to give me a little soft definition on my nose, and then just link up my brow to the bridge of my nose so it looks a little more defined. And the structure is a little more prominent, especially in pictures. When you take pictures, contouring is a must. Like if you're going out with your friends and you're taking pictures, or really any time of the day, if you wanted to take like a selfie, if you contour, it's gonna help bring your features to life. I'm also gonna take some of the bronzer underneath my eye and bam, we are contoured, we're bronzy. Now I'm gonna use the blush. I actually have not used the baked blush yet, so I'm really excited to try that. I'm gonna go back into Rosy Rosewood and use that on my cheeks. Oh yes, so pretty. I love how natural that looks. Like it just falls into the skin so nicely. I'm addicted to this look. Like it looks so good. The colors are flowing together really nicely. The blush is blending into my skin so effortlessly. I'm obsessed. I need some highlight. I'm gonna use a Pure Nude highlighter. It's called Be My Highlight. I'm not usually a powder highlighter person, but let's see how this works on my skin. Okay, that is very soft. It's not giving me texture, which is what I'm always concerned about. Oh, that's pretty. That's actually really, really pretty and soft. Like it's not too disco ball-y and it's kind of just, oh, in the sunlight, it's gorgeous. For the lip, I'm gonna go into Cinnamon Spice. This is an 8-hour matte waterproof pencil and it has a sharpener at the end so you can always have like a sharp tip. That is so nice. I'm gonna overline my lip the way I normally do. I always like line right here in the center. Oh, I like the shade of this brown. It's almost like your lip color, but better. It's actually great for overlining. You want something that's this type of shade when you're overlining or creating definition, like a shape that's not there, because it's gonna give you the most natural look. Yes, that is exactly what I'm looking for. I'm actually gonna fill in my entire lip. This color is too pretty. Cinnamon spice, you guys. Oh my goodness, this is a perfect like everyday color. And then to top it off, we're gonna do a juicy lip. I'm taking the Extreme Shine Volume Lip Gloss. And look at this applicator. How fluffy is that? That is so fluffy. We're gonna top it off with that. Oh yeah. It's like butter. It's so soft. My lips don't feel as crusty anymore. Ooh, you guys, if you have not tried Essence, you've been sleeping. I am obsessed. I'm so happy I got to collab with them today to do this video, full face of Essence. I am in love with my look. I love it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And let me know if you're gonna be recreating this, or if you've never tried Essence, please comment below. I think I'm gonna do a giveaway. I think I might give away some Essence products. So if you haven't tried it, stay tuned. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I fell in love with the palettes. I did not know that the palette was gonna be this beautiful, like the shimmer. Are you kidding me? Ugh. I have my own brand and I know how expensive these shimmers are. So to do this and still keep it on such a small price point, I am shook. So you guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe right below. I make videos every single week, and before I let you go, I always leave you with a motivational message, something you can keep in your brain throughout the entire week, just to remember me by and to help you. And I get these from myself in my situations that happen. Today's message to you guys is everyone is different, and not everybody's going to do or say things that you would like them to say or how you would like them to act. And you have to accept that, because everyone's different. Even your friends, sometimes they're gonna get on your nerves. Not everybody can please you. So be patient, be kind, be understanding with your friends and family and with strangers. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.